got him.
You got him, didn't you?
I got him, yeah.
Look at me and say, good job, bud. Great job. Did a pretty good job, buddy.
Yeah.
Got you a little wet, didn't he?
I didn't rinse them all. I want to take a field.
Dry them off really good.
But we like them.
Yep, dry them off on the inside too.
Inside?
Yep, dry them off.
And?
Yep. Flip them over.
And, ooh.
Yep, dry that. And put this inside, dry. Right.
Dry, Daddy, dry him.
Yep. There you go. Alright.
Thanks for my fishy.
You caught him.
I caught him really good.
Here, some salt and pepper.
Yeah, I need to get salt and pepper on him.
You like Johnny's?
Yeah, Johnny?
Yeah, shake it on him. Like that.
I do it.
Alright, nice and high. You gotta get it up like this.
I do it.
Okay, nice and high. High.
I do it. I do it, I said.
Inside too. Yep, keep shaking it. Keep shaking it. This side. Yep, this side too. Shake it, shake it. Don't touch the fish with it though. Like that, see?
Thanks.
Alright,
Good.
now,
Now,
hold on. Put them right there on your baking sheet. Here, I'm going to slide you over this way, okay?
wee.
You need to put some olive oil in there.
I gotta get some on him.
Olive oil.
Olive oil.
Alright, so
So,
here,
here,
some olive oil.
oil. But don't kill the fish. He likes my kill. I like putting oil in him. He don't want to pop.
Right. That oil. And put it on the inside.
Inside?
Here. Brush them on the inside. Make them taste really good. Alright. Add a little bit more for flavor. And get your lemons. Put your lemons in. Say what you're doing. You putting lemons in? You gotta put your lemons in there.
He likes to go. My fishes like to go fishing. My fishes don't like to go fishing. Yeah, he likes to go fishing. My fishes like to go fishing. He likes to eat these.
Put some dill in there. Inside.
Look, these are trees.
Yep. Put them in there. Yep. Let's put some. Here's some more. Yeah, put them down in there.
Okay, fish.
Alright.
What
What kind of flavor do you like on your trout, Connor?
I like it on the fish.
Okay. And what kind of flavors do you have there?
I like these and that, and I like these, and I like that, and I like that.
You like it all?
You want the barbecue?
It's hot. Okay. Put them on the barbecue. Nice and easy. Yep. There you go. Put the cover back on.
And
What are you doing?
it's hot.
What are you doing?
It's hot.
You cooking your fish?
Yeah. Yeah, I gotta work on my quad first.
Work on your quad while the fish is cooking? Yeah, it looks like you broke it. Oh, looks good. Is that your trout?
Yeah.
Almost finished, huh?
Yeah. Smoked your fish really good.
Alright. Why do you want to do that? So it tastes good?
It's starting to rain.
Why did it start to rain?
Because it's starting to rain.
Because it's springtime.
They look at your shirt right there. It's all chalky.
That's not just rain.
Did you chalk me?
No, Jordan did.
Jordan chalked me. Oh man.
Oh man.
Your barbecue's getting wet.
No.
Oh no. Did I fix it?
No, you.
We'll fix it, bud.
It ripped.
He ripped?
Yeah, he ripped.
Well, what do you think? You think he tastes good?
No, he ripped and oh, no, that glass.
Oh. Poor fish, huh? I don't think he tastes good.
But it's not feel good.
Oh, it tastes yummy. Fresh bite. It's okay, just because. Is it good? Alright.
I want another one. I want another one. From the fish.
Let's take him inside and eat him, huh?